Hi. Welcome to Digital Hive. We bring you the latest in web and mobile technologies. Let's talk about PWAs. PWAs are progressive web applications that load in a browser just like web pages or websites. It gives you a rich mobile experience via native-like functionalities like ability to work offline, push notifications, device hardware accessibility. It works much better than a typical mobile website. Key benefits of progressive web apps. Add to home screen provides a custom install experience. Work reliably fast even on 2G and erratic networks. Easy to use because of its native-like mobile-first design. Increases average time spent on site with decrease in bounce rates. Web push notifications increase engagement up to 4 times. Get SEO boost from Google because of faster loading. 4 times increase in conversion rate over the year is noted by big companies like Book My Show, Pinterest and Trivago. Better option for the users who uninstall native apps to save space. Some of our PWAs launched recently. Vima Smiham, ABB, Great Eastern, The Fuel Delivery. Decide what you want and let us start your awesome project together. Contact us at buzz@digitalhive.in or visit digitalhive.in.